Yoy.
Taga saan ba yan? Indian yata yan, Brad eh.
Hindi, tiga Mexico talaga yan, boy. Mexico, Pampanga.
Mexico, Pampanga.
Oo.
Wait lang, bro. Excuse mo na.
Ano?
Di ako marunong
O sige,
mag-English.
translate ko na lang. O sige.
Di ka marunong mag-English.
O sige, translate ko na nga lang.
Ani 3 combo, fu.
Sabi niya, Yoy, bigyan mo daw siya ng 3 combo.
Ah, 3 combo. Sige.
Oo.
Yes, can you make him go faster, Resi?
Yoy, sabi niya daw, bilisan mo daw. Frankie, Yoy said that you are idiot.
Ah, really? Did you say that, Bato?
Yoy.
Taga saan ba yan? Indian yata yan, Brad eh.
Hindi, tiga Mexico talaga yan, boy. Mexico, Pampanga.
Mexico, Pampanga.
Nagbibiro lang ako.
Oo.
Wait lang, bro. Excuse mo na, Dre. Andito yung ano.
English ka muna kasi.
Hindi nga ako marunong mag-English.
Hurry up, fu.
Hurry up daw, bilisan mo daw. Kakalto ka pag matagal.
Bali, 3 combo is 30.
Frankie, he said that the price of the food is 5K.
Hindi mo na may ibibigay.
5K. It's so cheap, man. Huh?
Yeah.
10K. Isang combo, ano?
Everything is cheap here in Los Santos, Bato.
Yeah. Yoy, give us discount. It's 5K only, he
Nagtaas na
said.
si Madam. Nagtaas na si Madam.
He said that Madam is tall now.
Wow naman.
Oh. Who's madam?
Madam Aurig.
Mami o.
Mami.
Oh, Mamio. I see. Mamio is tall now.
Yeah, he's tall now. She is tall, she said.
Oh.
What kind of food is there? Ay, ano daw pagkain dyan, Yoy? Ano daw mga pagkain binibenta nyo?
Ito, yung pork sisig, tsaka yung caramel.
Caramel daw, pork sisig na walang
What's
egg.
sisig? What's sisig, my friend?
That is a ground
Beef.
pork. Pork. Pork.
Sabi ng jeep, sabi ng bip.
What? Beef?
Hindi.
何お前はもう死んでいる。
Pork. Baboy yun eh. Beef pala, beef.
Beef sisig? Beef sisig? What the fuck?
Wait lang. Hindi ko napansin. Pork ba to?
I don't eat that shit, bro.
Yeah, it's so delicious, but I don't
Wala
know.
na iba.
I don't
Do
know
they
that.
have any other options, Ese?
I don't know.
Wala
I'm
ibang
gonna ask.
ingredients.
What?
Ito na. Walang ibang ingredients. Ito lang.
Yoy.
Ay.
How much is that? It's 5K?
10K.
10K for the 3 combos.
Oo, 3 combos.
Oh. So how much in total, Ese?
30.
Do you know Columbus?
Or do you accept card?
Do you accept credit card? Yeah.
Okay. Credit.
What?
Matahan lang, sabihin mo. Pamatahan lang tong itong na to. Ito.
He said that you look this TV. Look this TV.
Hindi mo ba kaya mag-English kahit yung mga saglitan lang na
Hey, get the fuck out there, bro.
Hindi ako marunong mag-English. Kasi ako, no read kasi ako, illiterate ako.
Ay, literate.
Frankie, he said that Yoy is a idiot.
Ako ang kinakwento ko sa inyo, totoo.
Hey, there's nothing to pay up there.
I pay it.
Oh, already paid, bro.
I already pay.
Why does he keep pointing there, bro?
I don't know. Hey,
Hey, sir.
Dito.
Are you retarded, sir?
Ito, matahan niyo yung tray, nandyan yung pagkain niyo.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Yoy, you don't want to speak in English?
Hindi ako marunong.
Sige, boss. Maraming salamat.
Wait a minute. Who are you?